In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom border in Microsoft Word, perfect for enhancing pages, paragraphs, or specific text elements. Whether you're working on a Windows or Mac version, these steps will guide you with ease. Let's start with adding a page border. First, navigate to the Design tab in your Word document. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Page Borders and give that a click. This action opens the Borders and Shading dialog box. Within this dialog, you'll want to focus on the Page Border tab, where you can really make your border unique. Under the Settings section, decide on the border style that best suits your needs. You have a range of options to choose from, including box, shadow, 3D, or custom. Next, move on to customizing your border. Here, you can select the line style, experimenting with solid, dashed, or dotted lines to match your document's aesthetic. Choose a color that complements your document, and then decide on the width to adjust the thickness of your line. If you're feeling creative, there's also an Art section where you can pick a decorative graphic border instead of a simple line, adding a bit of flair to your pages. Now, take a look at the preview area. Here, you can click on the individual sides, top, bottom, left, right, to decide where exactly your border should appear. Adjust these settings to match your vision. Finally, use the Apply To drop-down to specify where you want this border to apply. It can be throughout the entire document, just this section, or even limited to the first page only. Once everything looks perfect, click OK to apply your new border. Moving on, let's explore how to add a border specifically to text or a paragraph. Start by selecting the text or paragraph that you want to highlight with a border. Then, head over to the Home tab and find the paragraph group. Here, you'll see a Borders drop-down. Click on it and choose Borders and Shading to open the dialog once again. Within this dialog box, focus now on the Borders tab. As with the page border, start by choosing the setting: box, shadow, 3D, or custom. You can again pick the line, style, color, and width that best fits your text or paragraph, ensuring your selection looks just right in the preview section. If you're aiming for a more polished look, you might want to add some padding between the text and the border. Simply click the Options button and adjust the From Text settings to create that extra space. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click OK to apply the border to your selected text or paragraph. And there you have it, a custom border that's sure to add a touch of professionalism and creativity to your Word document. Thanks for joining me today, and happy formatting!